Imagine hiccuping nonstop for 68 years. That was Charles Osborne's reality. In 1922, after a farming accident, his hiccups began and never stopped. Doctors tried everything: medication, hypnosis, even surgery, but nothing worked. He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times over his lifetime. Miraculously, they vanished 1 year before his death in 1991. No one knows why. Despite his condition, Osborne got married, had children, and lived a full life. Was it a freak accident or a mystery science still can't explain? Would you survive 68 years of hiccups